This video will help you practice common English idioms and how to use them in different situations. Common English idioms. Part 3.
Caught between a rock and a hard place means to be in a difficult situation where there are no good options.
I'm caught between a rock and a hard place. Either I stay at this terrible job or I risk being unemployed.
The ball is in your court means it's your turn to take action or make a decision.
I've done everything I can do. Now the ball is in your court.
Don't judge a book by its cover, not to judge someone or something based on appearance alone.
Even though he looks rough on the outside, don't judge a book by its cover. He's actually a really nice guy.
Barking up the wrong tree, pursuing a mistaken or misguided course of action.
If you think I'm the one who broke the vase, you're barking up the wrong tree. I wasn't even in the room when it happened.
A penny for your thoughts, asking someone what they are thinking about.
You look like you're lost in thought. A penny for your thoughts?
Actions speak louder than words. What someone does is more important than what they say they will do.
He said he would help me move, but he never showed up. Actions speak louder than words.
Keep your chin up, staying positive and optimistic during tough times.
I know you didn't get the job, but keep your chin up. Something better will come along.
A picture is worth 1,000 words. A visual image can convey a complex idea more effectively than words.
Instead of explaining what the sunset looked like, let me show you a picture. A picture is worth 1,000 words.